In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Wix File Share app to upload and share files right on your website. Whether you're collaborating with the team or offering downloads to visitors, Wix File Share makes this process seamless and efficient. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to add the Wix File Share app to your website. To do this, navigate to the Wix App Market, which you can find on your Wix dashboard. Once there, simply search for Wix File Share in the search bar. When the app appears, click on it to see more details and then hit the Add to Site button. Adding this app will integrate a user-friendly file sharing feature directly into your website, allowing you to manage all your file needs from one cohesive space. After you've successfully added the app, it's time to upload your files. You'll notice a new section on your dashboard for Wix File Share. Go ahead and open it. Here, you can upload files that you want to share with your visitors or collaborators. Click the Upload Files button, and you'll be prompted to select files from your computer. This process supports a variety of formats, making it incredibly versatile. Once your files are uploaded, you can organize them into folders for better management. This is especially helpful if you're dealing with a large volume of files or a variety of content types. Now that your files are uploaded, let's move on to sharing them directly on your site. To make your files accessible to visitors, you can create direct links that are easy to include on any page. Start by selecting the file or folder you wish to share. Wix provides an option to generate a shareable link. Click on it to create a link that users can click to access your files. It's a good idea to double-check the privacy and permission settings to ensure your files are available to the intended audience. Once you've got your shareable link, you can embed it into your site. Navigate to the page on your website where you want the file link to appear. For instance, if you're offering a downloadable guide, the resources or downloads page would be ideal. Add a button or text link, and in the link settings, paste the shareable link you generated. This ensures that when visitors click on this link, they'll be seamlessly directed to the files you're offering without any extra steps. This setup streamlines the file sharing process, making it both efficient for you and intuitive for your visitors. By following these steps, you enhance the functionality of your website significantly, offering valuable resources or collaboration points within just a few clicks. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to use Wix File Share for all your document sharing needs. Thank you for watching and happy sharing!